Welcome back to another video. In the last video, 335 threw a check engine code, engine malfunction. So I did a little bit of digging with the code it popped. And what I came up with was that one, the engine oil probably need to be changed. I haven't changed it since I got the car, but I probably drove it less than 1,000 miles for sure. But I came up with this part right here. It's called the Vanos solenoid. And there's two of them that sit on the front of the engine. I'm gonna change the oil first, then I'm gonna replace these. The oil I'm going with is Castor Oil Edge, Eurocar, full synthetic 5W40. As far as I understand, this BMW Long Life -01. And this is the oil filter I'm going with. Next, you wanna get underneath the car. That is what you wanna open up. So I'm gonna get my Gerber in here, turn it, pull it open, and that's the drain bolt. It's a 17 millimeter. I'll let that drain. Next, you want to take the oil filter cap off. This is the old oil filter, old O-ring, the other old O-ring. All of that comes with a new filter. All you do is pull it out, and the oil at the bottom should be done draining by that time. This is the new one. It just goes in same way the old one came out. Get the new big O-ring, the new small O-ring, and leave the washer in the bag. The new O-ring in place, just like that. Same with the big one. That's the groove it goes in. And you want to rub some of the new oil on both of the O-rings. You want to pour a little bit of the new oil into where it came from. Reinsert the oil filter. There are specific torque specs, but I'm just going to tighten it down. That should be good. I'll take the old washer off, put the new washer on, reinsert the plug, put the access latch back on, and turn the lock. Remove your drain pan. Now we can fill it up. The oil fill cap right here. I hear you're only supposed to put 6.5 to 6.8 quarts of oil in it, and I got 7 right here, so this is 5 and I got 2. That's 5 quarts. 6 quarts. I'm gonna pour a little more. So that's probably around like 6.6, 6.7 almost quarts in there. Now I'm about to do the Vanos solenoids, which are located right in this space right here. Those two clamps right there, the silver clamps, those are the Vanos solenoids. And there's 2 bolts, one that you can see right there, and then one right above it. They're a 10 millimeter, and I'm about to take those off and unplug the solenoids. I got one out, and it doesn't have an O-ring, but I'm about to go fishing for this old O-ring so I can install the new one where the old one came out. So I got the old O-ring out. So I think all of this trash is some of the same stuff that was in the oil cap. So the way I was saying to disconnect it was push this down and this will slide out. It's the same process for the top half. So the top one came out looking better. Old one's out, new one's in. There is a way to do this by taking this cover off. It is possible just to do it with the cover still on, so I got it done. Now I'm about to go reset the oil. To reset the oil, you want to power on the vehicle. Turn these on so you can see. You want to hold the dash reset button, which is right here. So you want to hold it, click reset, and that's it. The BC button is how I clicked reset. Now you should be good to go. Now I'm gonna grab my GoPro, see if I still get the same fault code.